everyone, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we are taking a look at the iPhone 12 in the white version here. So you can see that there, the accents, the white phone there with the wallpaper, and just the overall smaller box compared to previous years. So let's go ahead and open this right here. And this is not white, what? Oh. This is the white one, that's interesting. Okay, it did not look like white when I opened the box, mainly because I think I just got off of looking at the Pro Gold and the Pro Silver, and they seem to have made a mistake this year, at least in my opinion. Here's the protector here, we just removed that to reveal the black screen. So let's get into this, let's check this out. Real quick, in the box, you do get a Lightning to USB-C. Nothing else really. You just get an Apple sticker and a SIM eject tool. All you're gonna get. If you do want to fast charge this, you're gonna have to get a fast charger at the Apple Store or online on Amazon. I grabbed the wrong thing there. And it's something like this. This is what we got last year on the Pro model, which is what we should have gotten this year as standard, but it is what it is. And let's go ahead and close this up. And interestingly enough, actually, when you look at the box with the yellows and everything, it does give kind of like a gold feeling, and that's what it looks like for some reason. It looks like gold. All the sides and everything, even the side here on the finish, there is a slight tint to it where it is not completely silver. Very interesting. Just in case you liked last year's iPhone 11, then I don't think you're gonna like this one if you like the pure white look that I personally like on the iPhone 11. This year we have the 12 Pro here, and you can see the difference there. The one on the right actually does look white. The one on the left has a slight cream slash goldiness tint to it, which isn't good if you just want white, but it is good if you're looking for a slightly pinkish hueish phone, because this has a nice tasteful look. Like, you could have called this champagne, and I'd be like, yeah, this looks like champagne. And yeah, I don't know if you can see that on there, but that is what it looks like. It looks like champagne. That is interesting, because it doesn't look like white or silver or anything. Interesting. I do wonder if I got a mistake phone, like a mistake from the factory, but I don't think so. Let's just, I guess this is how it looks. All I can say is that if you're going for a straight up white phone, you're not going to be such a huge fan of this. Let's go ahead and put it with the cases that I normally put it with for white phones. That of course still looks good. Let's put a black case on it here real quick to see how that looks. That kind of helps it look more like white, mainly because you can only see the camera bump here and the silver accents. And again, right here, it straight up just looks like a really light gold tint. That is very, very interesting. The mystery of the phone. Ouch. I dug my nail into the case. See, so that means that a case like this would look real nice on it, right? Because you get all the pink accents, you get the gold. Let's see. Yeah, that looks very nice. It's like an off-white tinted towards pink, so it works really well with a case like this that has those pink tones and stuff. So, a surprise color, really. And let's go with the case that I would say goes really well with the white. That's this right here. And yeah, I mean, it looks really good. You can just still see kind of that tint to it. So definitely keep that in mind. I think I'm not complaining about the color. The color looks nice. It's just not white. It's simply not white. I mean, you can kind of see the difference there. If I put this phone in there, then we take it and we put this phone. Look at that. My goodness. The difference is huge. So definitely, if you're looking for a white phone, get the 12 Pro if you can. You're gonna like this back a lot more. You don't really care about it looking straight up white, and you're fine with some kind of champagne-y color, pinkish hue slash goldish hue to the overall look, then the 11 has got you covered. But that's how it looks. So let me go ahead here and show you guys how it looks while texting and also while talking here. So I will grab it here, and you can kind of see that there. There it is. Of course, we do have that glossy glass back. And then if I'm talking on the phone there, you can see it there. And then if we bring it up closer to the camera, so you can get slightly different view there for the color. It kind of looks like white there. An interesting color. All I can tell you is it's not white. I mean, it's close to white, but it's also not even cloudy white like we've seen with the Pros in previous years. This one just looks way more white. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let's do a quick comparison of the blue versus the white. You can see how those two look there. They both come in 64 gigabytes to start, unlike the Pro model, which starts at 128 gigabytes. But of course, this one is quite a bit cheaper than the, or less expensive, because they're both very expensive, than the Pro model. So that is the white iPhone 11. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely be on the lookout for the color comparison, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.